Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a happy mail idea for you guys, and I thought it would be cute if you want to share some ephemera pieces, cut pieces from your Cricut, your silhouette. This would be a super cute way to send it off to a pen pal. I am sending these off to a friend of mine, and I thought I'd share before I send them off. It's a super cute way to still have the experience of opening like a new little pack of ephemera, but yet you cut them from a Cricut, which to me they look exactly the same, but except the little gold features that some of the ephemera packs actually carry. But yeah, you guys, this is what I cut last night because I made her a few packs. And this one I know is carousel, but I thought I was gonna cut confetti, so it's meant to be carousel, but I didn't want to have to change it because I just didn't want to ruin this. So she knows it's carousel, but this is the little ephemera pieces, you guys. And I cut them. I don't want to open them, but you can see the little pieces I cut. Usually what I do is I Google the ephemera pack and I cut pieces from the original ephemera pack, and then I cut like my own, since the digital collections come with way more ephemera pieces. So I kind of tend to pick the ones that I know for a fact are more useful than like labels or like silly little hearts that you can do with other embellishments. More like the giraffe, the little girl behind the tickets, and stuff like that. So I made this one, which is the carousel, Maggie Holmes carousel. I also made her open book, and then I tend to like double up on like little pieces that I know that she would wish she would have more of. Well, I try to think like I wish two of these pieces came in here. So like these little round thingies are super cute to use as layering pieces. So I gave her like two of each. There's like a black one and this white one here. So this is open book, and that's what they look like. So that's the, I didn't show you. This one I didn't put the paper in the back, which I need to do because I like to cover that stitching line because I don't know why it got like that. But this is open book, and then I also had some hand cut pieces of gather, so I threw these in a little packet for her. You guys know I used to love fussy cutting. And then Craft Market, I made her a full pack. This one I had a bunch of cuts, so it's more of a stuffed pack because I had made this in 2 different sizes, so I gave her both varieties in there. And that's what it looks like design. It says Craft Market. Let me show you guys what I sewed over the thickers. Super cute. And I added some like trim on the background. I love the way they turned out. And then the last one is this one, which is Shine. And then I just added the thickers, sewed over them as well. And you guys, I just think it's a super cute way than just to throw it in a plastic bag and send over to a pal to decorate the packaging and make them look cute. And it's just super fun and easy, and you know, it's just presentation, you guys. It's everything. It'll make any one of your pen pals super ecstatic to receive one of these. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.